Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. We're going to be doing Pets by Porno for Pyros in this one. Some cracking playing by Peter Di Stefano. So let's get into it, shall we? Now in terms of tone, this is played on a 12 string with some other overdubs. I don't have a 12 string, so I'm going for my clean tone, but with the Empress reverb pedal. Lovely reverb pedal. Demo coming for that soon, actually. And for the solo, you just need a distortion pedal and a wah-wah, basically. So I'm using the 1991 from Funny Little Boxes and the Wacko from Jam Pedals. Sounds like this. Lovely. Now this song is essentially one riff. It's a 4-bar phrase which goes... around, okay? So you basically fret an F sharp, but with the B and the E open. But you don't really need your third finger here doing anything, okay? In fact, if you watch how Peter actually frets it, he uses his second and third fingers there and his first finger here. And he uses his little finger to do the movement up to the 4th fret, okay? So I'll show you that first, and then I'll show you another way that you can finger it, right? So you're going to play, and then with an upstroke, once you've hit that double stop of 4 and 3 there, you do an upstroke to catch all 4 top strings, and then while that's ringing out, okay? And again. Little finger, you can take your first finger off if it's more comfortable. Little finger then goes onto the 4th fret and you play the same thing. Little finger off. And back around, okay? Now I prefer to fret it like this. Because if I hit that accidentally, that A string, no problem, right? It's part of the chord. Then when you go to the next voicing, I use my 3rd finger to hit the 4th fret, and that angle will naturally kind of mute that string anyway, and then you can just strum away, right? And again I take my my 3rd finger off and play the open E, but I rest my 3rd finger here lightly so it mutes that. Right, that A string is not ringing out there. And then I just squeeze back down again. So I prefer to play it that way. There's a couple of options for you there. Now, when they played this live on the Howard Stern show, acoustically, there's an additional bit that comes in, right? So let's learn that because it's cool. It goes like this. Okay, it goes around a few times. I'll play it once more slowly. Okay, so it goes to the actual full E chord there. But this part is just... Okay? Just that melody, but with that chord. So I think Peter again plays it. And then he abandons the root note, right, and moves his 1st finger to the 2nd fret to play that. Or you could do thumb over the top and just leave it there. This next part, I use my 2nd finger over the top here. Okay, and you're just going to play... Then we have the solo part, which goes a little something like this. Pretty much like that, okay? I'm going to use my second and third fingers to start off with, because when you go up here, you're going to need your first finger. So you play. Okay, so you're just keeping this chord shape and moving it about. Then you play. That's up to the 8th fret there from the 4th. Then you go to the 11th fret. And then you need to slide your finger back 1 fret there on the B string from 12 to 11. Okay, that's that whole part. Let me do the whole thing slowly. Next part, you've got this. Okay, so you've got some octaves. Then up on the 11th fret on the B and E. Okay, pretty sure that's what he's doing. Then 11 to 9. And then a repeat of that little 12 to 11th fret double stop. And then you've just got the outro. I'm going to show you 2 outro parts as well. So on the album, you'll hear... So, one more time slowly, and then we'll move on to the Howard Stern outro, right? Okay, it's quite, you've got to arch your finger to make sure all these ring out. Okay. I'm using my little finger to pull off. Then I move up with my third finger, and my second finger goes on the 3rd fret. Open. Okay, and then the next 4 bars. Okay, so a bit more symmetry with those ones. Now on the Howard Stern show, he actually plays this. And he plays that around 3 times, and at the end he plays... So there you have it, people. All the parts you need to play 2 different versions of this. So I hope you enjoyed that one. It's a great tune. Enjoy. See you later.